Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Sherry and today is Makeover Monday. So this is the day we usually take a recipe, we make it over and we make it more healthy. But instead of doing a recipe, today we're gonna be making some almond milk. But before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food, you love fun, go ahead, hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss anything new. All right, so this is super easy to make, but you will need a high power blender. So I'm using my Deluxe cooking blender from Pampered Chef. So if you have a Vitamix or something along those lines, as long as it's high power, it will work. So the first thing we want to do is get soaking our almonds. I have got 1 cup of almonds here, and I'm just going to put 2 cups of water in with that. And then I'm going to put a lid on it. And then we want to let these soak for at least 4 hours. So usually what I do, if I know I'm going to make almond milk, I just go ahead and soak them overnight. So we'll let these soak and then we'll get busy making our milk. All right, so once your almonds have finished soaking, we are just going to go ahead and drain them, which I've already done here, and then I'm going to add them to my blender along with 5 cups of clean water, which I've already put in there. So I'm just going to replace my lid. And then this already has an alternative milk setting on it. I can see it from over here. There we go. And then we're just going to push start. All right, so our milk is done. I'm going to go ahead and take my pitcher off of here. Set this aside. And then all we have to do from here is just strain it. So my blender came with a really fine mesh bag that I'm going to be using. If you don't have one of these, you can probably use cheesecloth or something like that. So this bag is going to collect all the almond pulp. So we really want to squeeze this good and make sure we get out all that liquid, all of our almond milk. All right. So now I can just take it and pour it in here and refrigerate it. Whoa, almost fit. Almost fit. But that is it. It's so easy to make, right? And, you know, you can buy almonds in bulk, and I'm sure it is a lot cheaper. So anyway, though, you want to hang on to this pulp. We're actually going to use this to make some almond flour with. So it's great because you use up every little bit of the almonds. So that is going to be next Monday's video. So you want to make sure you look for that one. And I thank you so much for watching today's video. I'll see you next time. Bye.